Hello friends, welcome to Mitahara Kitchen. Today's recipe is Quinoa Uttapam. Uttapam is one of the favorite breakfast dish in South India. In this recipe, we will see how to make vegetable uttapam with quinoa dosa batter. Watch till the end of this video for some useful tips for this recipe. Use the water that is used for soaking quinoa, rice and urad dal while grinding the batter. Quinoa is a healthy grain with the right amount of protein, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals. It is considered as the best food for diet. You can add any vegetables to the uttapam and enjoy the combined benefit of veggies and protein from quinoa. Cover the uttapam when cooking to avoid flipping the uttapam, which may cause uttapam to lose its shape. This uttapam tastes great with chutney and sambar. You will love the taste of this quinoa uttapam and pretty sure soon it will be a favorite dish. Please see the description of this video for ingredients required and other details of this recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.